If you are searching for quick cash and wondering whether Cleo actually gives money instantly, you are not alone. A lot of people hear about Cleo as an AI budgeting app that can also lend you money, but the real question is how fast the money arrives and what you need to qualify. In this video, I am going to explain exactly how Cleo Cash Advances work, whether the money is truly instant, and what you should realistically expect before you rely on it for an emergency. First, let us be clear about what Cleo actually is. Cleo is primarily a budgeting and financial assistant app powered by AI. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your spending habits, and helps you manage money better. On top of that, Cleo offers a cash advance feature, often called Cleo Cash, which allows eligible users to borrow a small amount of money before payday. This is not a traditional loan, and it is not a payday lender in the usual sense. Now to the main question. Does Cleo give money instantly? The short and honest answer is yes, but only under specific conditions. Cleo can send money instantly if you are eligible, and if you are using the paid version of the app. Without meeting those conditions, the money is not instant. To access Cleo Cash Advances, you must first qualify. Cleo checks your linked bank account to see consistent income, spending patterns, and account activity. If your income is irregular or your account is frequently overdrawn, Cleo may either offer you a very small amount or decline the advance entirely. Approval is automated, so there is no manual application process. Once you are approved, the next important factor is speed. Cleo offers two delivery options. The standard option sends money in 1 to 3 business days, which is not instant. The instant option is only available if you subscribe to Cleo Plus. Cleo Plus is a paid monthly plan, and without it, you should not expect same-day money. With Cleo Plus active, instant transfers usually arrive within minutes. In most cases, users receive the cash advance almost immediately after requesting it. However, instant does not mean guaranteed every single time. Bank processing times, technical issues, or account verification problems can still cause delays. It is also important to understand how much money Cleo can give you. Cleo Cash Advances typically range from a small amount at first and can increase over time. New users often start with a lower limit, and as Cleo sees consistent income and repayment behavior, the amount may increase. This means Cleo is better suited for short-term gaps, not large financial emergencies. Another common question is whether Cleo charges interest. Cleo does not charge traditional interest like a loan. However, the cost comes in other forms. You pay a monthly subscription fee for Cleo Plus if you want instant cash advances. There may also be optional tipping, which Cleo presents as voluntary, but it still adds to the cost. When you consider these fees, Cleo is not completely free. Repayment is automatic. Cleo withdraws the advance from your bank account on your next payday or on the agreed repayment date. If there is not enough money in your account, you may face bank overdraft fees, even though Cleo itself does not charge late fees. This is something many users overlook, and it is very important. So, is Cleo worth using if you need instant money? That depends on your situation. If you already have Cleo Plus, have a stable income, and need a small amount quickly, Cleo can be a convenient option. The instant transfer feature is genuinely fast for eligible users. However, if you are looking for free instant money, Cleo is not the answer. Without the subscription, the transfer is not instant. You should also compare Cleo with other cash advance apps. Some apps offer instant transfers with different fee structures, while others require no subscription but charge per transfer. Cleo stands out for its AI budgeting features, but as a cash advance option alone, it is one of several choices in the market. Before using Cleo, always read the terms carefully. Understand the subscription cost, know when repayment will happen, and make sure your bank account can handle the automatic withdrawal. Cash advance apps are helpful tools, but they are not long-term financial solutions.